Ever struggled with using navigation? Well, you're not alone. Many people find it challenging to navigate their way around unfamiliar places. Today, we're going to demystify the process, making it as simple as pie. Imagine, if you will, a world where getting lost is a thing of the past. A world where you can confidently stride into the unknown, safe in the knowledge that you're heading in the right direction. This isn't some far-off fantasy. It's the reality that modern navigation tools can offer you. Let's start at the beginning. Navigation is the process of planning, recording, and controlling the movement from one place to another. It's a fundamental skill that's been crucial to humanity since the dawn of time. But thanks to technological advancements, you don't need to rely on the stars or landmarks anymore. Today, you have a personal guide right in your pocket, your smartphone. Step 1. Choose your navigation app. There's a variety of options available from Google Maps to Apple Maps, Waze, and many more. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all essentially do the same thing: guide you from point A to point B. Step 2. Input your destination. This can be a specific address, a named location like a restaurant or museum, or even coordinates if you're feeling adventurous. Make sure you spell it correctly and select the right option from the list that appears. Step 3. Decide on your mode of transportation. Most navigation apps offer options for driving, walking, cycling, or public transit. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Step 4. Start your journey. Once you've inputted your destination and chosen your mode of transport, hit the Start or Go button. Your route will be plotted and turn-by-turn directions will be provided. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Listen to the voice prompts and keep an eye on the visual cues. They'll tell you when to turn, when to keep straight, and even when to expect heavy traffic or roadworks. Step 6. Arrive at your destination. Once you've followed all the directions, you'll find yourself at your desired location. It's as simple as that. So to recap, choose your app, input your destination, select your mode of transport, start your journey, follow the instructions, and arrive at your destination. It's a 6-step process that can take you anywhere you want to go. Remember, navigation is not a test of your skills or intelligence. It's a tool to make your life easier. So don't be afraid to use it. Embrace the technology and let it guide you on your adventures. In the end, the world is your oyster, and navigation is the pearl within. It's a tool that can open up new horizons, taking you places you've never been, and introducing you to experiences you've never imagined. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how easy it is. Thank you for listening, and here's to never getting lost again.